Let's talk about soap nuts. These are a great way to do your laundry and use it for shampoo, and it kills bacteria and funguses and all types of things, and great for your skin also.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, today I want to talk about soap nuts. These are a wonderful natural way to do your laundry and all types of things, and also make wonderful shampoo. It's all natural, comes from a tree, really great. But before that, please, if you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe. Also, if you want to keep away cancer, please buy my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. I want to thank all of you that bought the thousands of copies already, and it's really doing great. And, half of you will come down, more than half of you actually will come down with cancer, and this will lower your chances of coming down with cancer. So look it up. You can Google Live a Cancer-Free Life, and it will come up. So soap nuts, wonderful. I happen to have a big bag here of soap nuts. This is natural oli, and as I say, there's soap berries or soap nuts, and they're really great. You can buy all kinds of different brands out there. This is a pound, I think it is, and they really do a great job. All you do is here's a bunch of them in here, like that. All you do is take a little bag that comes with it, and you fill it up with 4 to 6 of the nuts, and throw that in your washer, especially if you're using hot water. And you just take it out, let it dry, and dry your clothes like you normally do. Really great. Gets rid of all the smells, also gets rid of the bacteria and viruses and fungal things. It's really amazing stuff, and it's all natural. Comes from a tree that grows in Asia, India, China, U.S. Actually grows in the U.S. also. It contains lots of saponins, which are really healthy agents. Lots of vitamins A, D, E, and K. Also helps in India. They use it for psoriasis and eczema, and it helps with inflammation because of all those healing saponins. Makes a great laundry soap. Like I said, just take this little bag that comes with it. Put 4 or 6 of the nuts. This is actually the outside covering of the nut. And the nut itself, inside the actual seed, can be eaten. They eat them in India. So, and then you throw this in the wash. Really great. If you're using just cold water, I'd recommend you take this bag and throw it into a container, add some boiling water, and let it set for about a half hour. Then pour that into your wash, and that way you get the good ingredients that will help you wash your clothes. And also, let this dry naturally, and then you can use it over and over and over again. A bag like this, you're going to get about 250 washes. That's like, wow. And they're only about $20 for that bag, so it's really a great thing. Saves you a lot of money. Also helps to prevent dandruff. You can make a shampoo. Just take 4 to 6 of the, depending on how strong you want it, anything from 1 to 2 to 4 to 6 of the nuts. Pour some hot water over the top. Let it set for a half hour, and it'll be slippery, and you can use that to wash your hair with. Really great. Some people, if they have acne and really oily skin, they can use it for that also. And in India and other places, they also use it for asthma, and helps in a great way. It's antibacterial, kills a lot of different types of bacteria in general. And it's also used in some countries as an insecticide, and inhibits and kills a lot of caterpillars and that type of thing also. So that's really great. Also, in Ayurvedic medicine, it's also used as a anti-cancer agent and helps with preventing the growth of tumors in the body. Also, it's hepatoprotective. It helps the liver and helps to prevent injury to the liver. And in Chinese medicine, it's been used for thousands of years for healing fatty liver disease, so that's really great. It's also, like I said, antifungal, so it'll kill funguses in general. It's also anti-inflammatory, and it's used in Chinese medicine for using in that realm also for any type of inflammation. And remember, inflammation is the first step toward disease. Also, it helps to prevent platelets from sticking together and causing heart attacks and that type of thing also. It comes in a lot of different forms. You can get it in powders and whole nuts and laundry detergent and shampoos and more. Most people buy the most cost-effective way, which is the outer coverings of the nuts like this. They're kind of sticky also, and that's why it kind of starts going through the bag and showing up. It has the sap of the actual nut itself. And it's very inexpensive. Like I said, $20 for a big bag like that. And you can find it just about anywhere on Amazon, eBay. Some health food stores even have it. There are a lot of different places you can find it online. So if you want to have a healthy, way of washing, if you're one of these people who constantly breaks out all the time, if you're using any kind of shampoo, or if you're using, clothes washing soap, and when you have allergic reaction to it, you're probably not going to have an allergic reaction to this because it's all natural, and I highly recommend it. It doesn't have any smells of any kind. If you want to add an essential oil to it, in your wash, a drop or two, really great. A little lavender or something, and that will help in a great way also. It really doesn't have any smell whatsoever, but it does a great job, and I highly recommend soap nuts. So if you want to change your life, go to all natural, get away from all these chemicals. If you ever read what laundry soap has in it, holy moly, all kinds of different things. And this is an all natural product that will do your body good. So I highly recommend it. If you want to do a consultation with me, I ask for a $50 donation, and let's get you, really healthy this year. No reason to be sick. Let's get rid of those chronic disease processes, and no reason for MS. No longer do you have to suffer with diabetes. Let's reverse these things, lupus, on and on and on. No reason for arthritis or rheumatoid arthritis or all these things. We can make you healthy in a great way and feel really great and have lots of energy. If you're dragging through your day, there's no reason for that. So let's give me a call at 831-869-9119, 831-869-9119, and let's get you healing. Have a wonderful day. Remember a couple things. Remember God, and remember, I love you.